In this video I'm gonna show you HD clarity in one click, using Enhance It app. I took this photo from Picsart for this tutorial. Before starting this video, I'm gonna show you photo details. Here is the details about photo. I'm gonna increase the size, resolution and clarity using Enhance It app. Open the Enhance It app. Tap on the enlarge, then choose the 4K and select gallery. I'm gonna choose dog photo that I showed you. It will take some seconds to analyze the photo. Here is the photo with HD clarity. I'm gonna zoom the photo. You can check the HD clarity. This the before and after. You can convert this image into JPG, PNG, and WebP, but I'm gonna choose the JPG. Tap on the SD card logo to save the photo. This is the before photo, not zooming very much in my gallery. I'm gonna show you details about this photo. Before this video I showed you this photo details. Next I'm gonna show you after enhance photo in details. This is the photo. You can check here zooming better than before enhance. I'm gonna show you details about this photo. Check the size, it is bigger than before enhance photo and you can check all details. Thanks for watching.